Today, we will be setting up our math interactive notebook. We are going to begin with our Bellringer for today. You need to copy and answer this question on an index card. Copy the question down on one side and on the other side, write your answer. At a party, several large pizzas were delivered. Joan, Jenny, and Judy each ate a different kind of pizza. Joan ate 1/3 of a pepperoni pizza. Jenny ate 4/8 of a veggie pizza, and Judy ate 3/5 of a cheese pizza. Who ate the most pizza? Explain your response and find as many ways to solve as you can. Once you have answered your Bellringer question, make sure you have your name on it and turn it in to your class tray. Today, we will begin setting up our interactive math notebook. You should have a notebook with you. Go ahead and open it to the first page. At the top of this page, you need to write number 1 to indicate the page number. The title of this page is Math About Me. Follow the directions that you see on your screen. At the top of this page, write your first and last name. In the middle of the page, write Math About Me in large print. Around that, you're going to write 5 number facts about you. For example, your age, birthday, your height, the number of pets. And then you're going to draw 5 pictures to illustrate your 5 number facts. And you can see the example that I have on the board. Make sure your title page is colorful. This is the first thing that you will see when you open your Math Interactive Notebook. So you want to make sure that it's fun and it appeals to you. Go ahead and pause this page or this slide and complete your Math About Me page. Remember, this is page 1 in your math notebook. Next, we will set up page 2. At the top of this page, write the number 2 and the title Passwords page. This year, you will be given passwords for iExcel, Reflex Math, Mastery Connect, and Khan Academy. For today, all you need to do is write your title on this page and write down these 4 sites. I will give you your passwords in the next couple of days to glue in there. Pause the video and complete page 2, Passwords page. Pages 3 and 4 are for your table of contents. Label page 3 with a 3 and page 4 with a 4. Both of these pages should look like what you see on your screen. The first column should be your page number. In the middle, the lesson title. And on the right side, the date. We will begin to fill this in together on Thursday. Again, make sure you write the table of contents, just like you see on your screen, on both pages 3 and 4. Pause the video and complete pages 3 and 4. Page 5. At the top of page 5, write the number 5. The title of this page is Give Me 5. What you're going to do on page 5 is you are going to trace your hand and you're going to record 5 things about you. These 5 things should include number facts about you, age, number of pets, etc. You can also tell me about your family, your parents, how many siblings you have, grandparents, cousins. And then what are your hobbies? What sports do you play? Do you dance? Do you collect stamps? So again, the Give Me 5 should include any variation of these things. Number facts about you, telling me about your family, or telling me about your hobbies. Pause the video, trace your hand, and complete page 5, Give Me 5. Page 6. These are your math goals. At the top of page 6, write the number 6 and title the page Math Goals. You are going to write 3 goals for this school year. For each goal, write a practical strategy to help you achieve your goal. For example, one math goal could be, I will make the AB honor roll. A strategy that you could use is I will complete all of my digits assignments. When you are writing your math goals, you can just create a table. On the left side is where you'll put your math goals, and you need 3 of them. On the right side is where you will write your strategies, and again, you need 3 of those. Pause the video and write your 3 math goals and strategies for this school year. With this interactive notebook, make sure you are using the correct page number. You may write front and back of the page. For example, page 1 would be the front, page 2 would be the back. Or you can just write on the front of every page. So all of your pages may be just on the front with writing, and it can be numbered page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. just on the front. Page 7, Standards for Mathematical Practice. You need to write that title at the top of your notebook, or page 7. You see that you have a copy of the language of the standards on your desk. What you're going to do is read what the standard says, and then you're going to write what you think it means in your own words. Go ahead and pause the video, glue the standards for mathematical practices into your notebook, and fill in the column where it says in my own words. Make sure you read the language of the standards thoroughly. Pause the video and complete this page. Page number 8 is your multiplication chart. Each of you should have a copy of the multiplication chart that I provided. You are going to glue the multiplication table into your interactive notebook and fill it in. You can pause the video and use the multiplication table shown to fill out the one that will be in your interactive notebook. If you do not finish with all of these pages during class today, we will finish them on Thursday. Make sure that you are working hard and filling in each page correctly. If you have questions, you may ask an elbow partner or the teacher.